PR Kit is an easy and fun resource for assemblies to use. To find the PR Kit, go to gocarainbow.org. Then, first click on the Resources. Then, click on Public Relations Team. Then, June Term 2023 PR Kit. There you will find the PR Kit, packed full of everything you need for PR for your assembly's term. To upload to SmugMug, click on the Upload to SmugMug link on the PR Kit. Then browse your computer, choose a photo, and upload it to SmugMug. When you're done, click on Done, and you will see your photo on SmugMug. Let's go back to the PR Kit. Scrolling down, you will find different links to Canva templates where you can create, edit, and adjust beautiful flyers for your assemblies. Here's an example of what you could do. Looks like Sunshine Assembly is having a membership open house. Some extra resources the PR Kit has include our brand guide, which shows our official colors, fonts, and logos. You will also find files of logo images you can use in your assembly designs. Once you've gone through the PR Kit and used all the great ideas, there is a short form survey for you to complete at the bottom of the PR Kit. Please be sure to fill it out. We'd love to hear your feedback.